Well guys, it happened again. I have moved, not anywhere different really. I'm still in the same Scottsdale, Phoenix area. However, I found another place. I'm sure you guys are asking why. Basically, I was renting out in the previous place and a different rental showed up. A rental that is cheaper, $1,300 a month cheaper. And I mean, guess I'll get straight to it and show you why it's better. In that we have not 2, not 4, but a 5-car garage. We got some RV gate storage on the side too, which, you know, with boy math means that you could probably put another 6 cars back there if you really wanted to hoard the place. This is a car guy's dream. It makes my F-150 look like a Ranger. So this place popped up and it was honestly the dream rental that I was kind of always searching for, and because I've been renting out down here, it makes it very easy to just kind of shift gears for something a lot better. I know for YouTube content, people like to see a permanent setting, a permanent background. When people start changing where they're moving all the time and changing where they're living or filming their content, it takes away from what people get attached to. I mean, the only thing I could really say to that is that I'm just living my young life, exploring different things as I go, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So I'm sorry that things may always be changing and feeling different here and there, but you guys just got to understand that for this place as of right now, this is definitely a better situation than what we were just previously in, kind of diving into Arizona a little blind. This is definitely a spot that makes a lot more sense than the last one. We'll start out with what the viewers care the most, which is obviously everything that's going on up here. This is the main hangar, and so this is where we got the 2 dailies perched up. Right now, Dustin gets a garage spot. Dustin's holding the camera, you can say hi.
What's up? I'm sweating my ass off. It's hot.
We got his 335. We got the Civic. Whoop. No. We'll get to that later. In this wing over here, for now we got the Camaro and a lot more space in front of it. I could probably park my Raptor in here if I wanted to, or like a boat or something very long, because this is like a 1.5 car length, I would say, garage space. And so in the meantime, we put all the parts, all the spare wheels, stock or aftermarket and whatnot, and then our whole FD2 conversion. There's a whole Type R of a Honda Civic that's just laying on the ground here that hopefully we'll get to in the months coming. This whole garage honestly allows for a ton of room. We got the cabinets moved in over here, toolbox is right down here, some more storage, and so this is really spoiling because this is the 3-car setup. This is honestly bigger than the 3-car setup that I had up in Washington. And then there's just 2 whole more. So in the other wing, right now we have the Skyline just chilling. We have an empty spot awaiting for, obviously, a very special car that is on its way. If anyone wants a 997.2 bumper, it's chilling here. Never got to go on my car. Here's the other little 2-car setup. This one isn't as spacious, but it's crazy to me. I wouldn't have imagined that we'd find a house like this. This, to my knowledge, is the only house in this whole neighborhood that has this setup. There might be just like one more. So it feels good to be the big man on the block, even though I'm sure no one else cares. I mean, the actual square footage inside is pretty small, but we have all the automotive space that every car guy dreams of. Mm-hmm. I'll just give you guys a quick little run through of the inside. Zill, say what's up. What's up? Oh, Zilla's leaving.
She's running away.
No, you're not allowed to leave the premises. Come on in to our bachelor pad. You guys will see that this is a very masculine house. Starting with the fact that we have concrete. It's just straight up concrete flooring. I don't know what's up with that. It's industrial, I guess, and it's cool. It hides dirt really well, but for inside of a house, I don't even know if you want that, because it's kind of good to know when your floors are filthy, and with this, you just never will. We have our dining table with Zilla. Here's our lovely living room, which is a little bit smaller. Everything in this house is a little bit smaller than the last place, but I found that I actually really enjoy that because I never really had furniture set up for like a 3,500 square foot house. And because this is a lot smaller, all my furniture now actually cozies up a lot better and the house feels a lot more homey. So I mess with this living room setup a lot more than the last place. You got some nice big windows right next to it, and it's all like in a nice little corner. My home theater stereo bumps a lot better because it's a lot better insulated. Here's the kitchen, which we have some nice brick accents. I don't know my kitchen terminology as well as specking out a 911, but yeah, here's a backsplash and countertop. We have a whole nother nook area over here that I don't have extra tables for, so this is honestly the cat's area, if anything. And then we have a really chill backyard, I must say. This is the backyard, and it came with a TV mounted on the wall. So the winters here in Arizona are gonna go super hard. We'll just be chilling out here watching my videos. Got some string lights and everything, but okay, so I don't think you guys understand what the side storage scenario really is like, but all of this just connects to the gate. Like, look how much you could fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Definitely fit like 6 cars here. You know, if you just don't tell the HOA. Yeah, for now you got my trailer set up.
I think we lost a piece of the roof from the weather yesterday. I don't think that was there the other day.
Oh, guys, the house is falling apart.
Yeah, dude, why do we have a random hay bale in our backyard?
I don't know, dude. It's a farmhouse. And what are these? Are these lemons or oranges?
Actually, that's a lime.
Yeah, that looks like a lime to me. My master bedroom. This is where they say all the magic happens. This is smaller than the last one, so everything fits better once again. That's just gonna be the pattern of this place, that smaller is better. What can I say? I'll tell you what's not smaller though, is my closet. This thing is amazing. I can just freaking keep on, like this would be crazy for a 12-year-old hide and seek in the house somewhere. I have a long row of just hats that I've collected from brands and other fun things. But yeah, closet goes hard. So that's on that side. On the same wing side of the house, we have Dustin's room. Is this presentable?
No.
All right,
I'm just keep it straight. No.
That's Dustin's bedroom. What we have on the other wing of the house is we have our offices. So this is Dustin's office. It's still a work in progress. But yeah, he's got his nice little setup over there. He's got all the plenty of
soundproof paneling that I haven't put up in weeks.
And then over here we have my office. And so this is where all the magic happens. This is where obviously we'll be filming the gaming videos, and I'll be editing videos. And most importantly, if all dates are correct, this is where I'll be playing GTA 6 for the first time, guys.
That's crazy.
That's monumental. Can't forget the SR2. So this is the new crib. This wasn't even something that I was really planning on making a big deal over, because yeah, it's just a subtle little move. It's something that I know only detailed viewers would notice, that, you know, the garage setup and the driveway to which we'll be filming a lot of stuff ongoing has changed. So as you guys are personal viewers and you like to keep up with personal aspects of our life and what's going on and stuff, I feel obligated that I wanted to let you guys in on what's actually happening, why things changed, and so now you guys will have an idea. I didn't know I was in a race. Oh, I'm getting gapped. We are on our way to pick up a Lamborghini right now. They're gonna see this thing, they're gonna be like, are you sure you're the guy that's supposed to take the keys, like, in this little cheap Civic? It's my car. I've had it for like almost 2 years now, and that is still the most surreal sight. Just seeing an exotic car trailer with an orange Lambo just post out in the street, and it's for me. It's my baby. Got anything else cool in there?
No. I mean, think on the back.
Oh, that's another
Ooh,
nice car.
damn.
That's cool.
Well, I have to pick up a Lamborghini Urus and then another Continental.
You still have all the confetti and shit.
Yup. feeling like, you know, I could just lose some stripes, but not all of them, just the ones on top of the fenders. I'm still gonna keep my banner up there, and I'm still gonna keep this lower banner area, especially this little green piece, just so we can still keep our acid green calipers tied into the car. But for some reason, I've kind of outgrown these lately, and I think removing them will just simplify the car with a look until we come up with something better down the line. Now, I am kind of crossing my fingers that they don't peel up any paint with them when I peel it off, because I did apply this whole decal set fairly shortly after the car got resprayed. So let's see. No going back now. One down, 19 more to go. So for now, top stripes are gone. Rest of the stripes are going to be staying. I will now be accepting applications for future livery ideas. So comments, do your thing. Give me some ideas below on what we could do with this thing in the future, or we'll just keep it clean.
Basically, Declan bought something.
Declan bought something?
Nope.
Is it cool?
It is very cool.
It sounds, it sounds
very cool.
rumbly. It sounds like a Subaru.
That's my car.
Oh, come on.
No, he did not. What the hell? What is this?
Yes, sir.
What the hell is this?
Here's a 1998 Skyline R34. Whoa. Handbrake don't work.
Make sure the handbrake works. Hey, you got an extra set of doors back here. What's going on?
Doors. We got the sedan version. Homie holler.
Dude just bought the coolest taxi imaginable. Wait, so does this have an RB25?
It's RB25 Neo.
Oh yeah. It's got a GTR front bumper. What made you get this?
I was like, man, I want to get something, so I'm just gonna buy this.
just goes out and buys an R34. So everyone in the group is just getting tuner cars now. That's awesome. I'm all for it. Bring it back. This is what people on the channel miss, honestly. Okay, wait, yo, pop the hood though.
It looks lame, man. You can pop it.
Does it have the Neo cover?
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
I have the RB cover.
Oh yo. It's a clean engine bay though.
It's not bad.
How many kilometers to miles is on this
It's got
thing?
like 67 on the swap, and the swap is done in Japan.
Oh, okay. Wait, so would this originally not have this engine?
Yeah, this would come automatic with a RB25, so the non-turbo.
Oh, it's got brid seats in there. I've never known anyone that's owned one of these, and this is such a vibe. Like the 4-door 34, it's so cool.
You got a little bit of a squeaky there.
I know.
It should go away. Like, there's definitely just some dust down in there. You gonna overtake? Ooh, on the freeway. You guys can thank my boys Zach and Declan for bringing the tuner content back to the channel. Okay. Do you have anti-lag on this?
Hell no.
Dude, it'd be so funny while they're ordering, just freaking that'd be the rudest thing ever. I've never said I've ridden in the back of a Skyline.
Rare opportunity.
Oh wait, hold up. I don't know if that's gonna cut it. That's not that much leg room. Oh, you got the Power FC?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Is that factory? The gauge cluster?
So this has actually got swapped with the motor swap.
Oh,
So this was out of like a wrecked car. That was the same motor. The motor came out of a wrecked car with this dash.
But is that dash what normally would be in a? Because like that looks a lot more. I don't know. I guess it looks a lot more like Americanized than I expected. Like you got the chrome,
the
like
rings,
accents. Yeah.
And the carbon back. Like there's some rare thing about see how the back.
Oh yeah, the carbon on the. Yeah. It's so crazy feeling cold air coming from a Skyline. I've never had that luxury. Japanese streets of Arizona tonight. Dude, everyone's making moves for it. We just went into unknown territory on the speed. Maxing out our freaking. Oh, jeez. This thing's sick! Oh, I hear boost incoming.
Check out the rocks.
Oh yeah, I haven't cleaned that out in a fat minute. Top secret collector.